So robotic welding, I mean, talk about that, man. How'd you get into it?
Again, like it's crazy, but I'm not trying to I don't work for Connstep, I'm not a Connstep rep, but the same guy was like, hey, there's also this CCAT program where, you can get funding for equipment. And so we ended up getting a grant, from that program to finance a portion of this robotic welder that
Isn't
we
it
brought
super
in.
interesting? We talked about this a little bit off camera earlier, but just, it's funny. There's all these different stuff out there, but no one knows about it.
I had no idea.
And all you got to do is get started, right? You get started, whether it gets started with Connstep or whatever, you get started and then you invest that time and energy to learn, you get the benefits of lean, and then that introduces you to somebody else and you learn about something else. And all of a sudden you look back and you've got this like amazing trail of knowledge and opportunities that sort of came your way.
Yeah. So, I'm just learning so much stuff that in so many different areas, which, keeps me interested. It's just, wear a lot of hats there. And, but
you guys were doing all hand welding initially for a bunch of the parts, and now you've got some robots in the,
and on it, like the welders that we have are amazing. They're incredibly consistent. They're craftsmen. They're true craftsmen. And I told them when we brought this welder, and I was like, this welder is not replacing you.
Right.
This is a multiplier effect.
Correct.
You spend 2 days a week making a subcomponent, welding a subcomponent to go on to the main product that you spend the other 3 days doing. And, we just can't keep up. So we're going to take the most repetitive items and we're going to put them on this robot, and that's just going to feed you stock so that you can make what you need to make when you need to make it.